Are you tired of worrying about the safety of your bike when you travel by air? Look no further. In this video, we will show you how to pack your bike for air travel like a pro. We'll provide you with all the necessary tips and tricks to ensure your bike arrives at your destination in one piece. So whether you're a professional cyclist or a weekend warrior, stay tuned for some valuable insights on packing your bike for air travel. The importance of proper bike packing. Before we get into the nitty-gritty details of bike packing, let's talk about why it's so important. Proper bike packing ensures that your bike is protected from damage during transit and that all the delicate parts are kept secure. This is especially important if you have an expensive bike, as any damage could cost you a lot of money in repairs. So it's always better to be safe than sorry. Materials you'll need. To pack your bike for air travel, you'll need a few essential materials. These include a bike case or bag, packing materials such as foam or bubble wrap, zip ties, and a multi-tool. We'll show you how to use each of these materials effectively to pack your bike. Step-by-step guide to packing your bike. Disassemble your bike. The first step is to disassemble your bike, removing the pedals, handlebars, wheels, and any other removable parts. This will make it easier to pack your bike into the case or bag. Protect the frame and forks. Use foam or bubble wrap to protect the frame and forks of your bike from scratches and other damage. Secure the wheels. Secure the wheels using zip ties or wheel bags to prevent them from moving around during transit. Pack the bike into the case or bag. Carefully pack your bike into the case or bag, making sure all the parts are secure and there's no empty space. Additional tips. We'll provide you with some additional tips to make sure your bike is packed securely, including how to protect your bike from TSA inspections. Creative ideas for bike packing. In addition to the step-by-step guide, we've got some creative ideas for packing your bike. These include using a bike box as a travel trailer, packing your bike into a cardboard box, and using a DIY bike bag. Congratulations! You're now a bike packing expert, ready to take on the skies with your trusty two-wheeled companion. Remember, the key to safe and secure bike travel is to pack your bike properly. So whether you're headed to your next race or on a bikecation, use these tips to ensure your bike arrives at your destination in one piece.